let's see how to draw a bat. So you will need a pencil and a sheet of paper. And the first thing we're going to do is draw a circle on top. And then take our pencil and do an oval on the bottom. All right, let's see what our next step is. Our next step to how to draw a bat is to draw the wings. So we already have our body done. Now we're going to draw the wings. So you do the line up and then come all the way down with a line, scallop up once, scallop up twice. We also want to add detail on the wing, so we will add a line down. Let's do that on the other side too, because a bat, of course, has two wings. We are going to go up with a line and then down, scallop up once, scallop up twice, and then for detail, we'll do that slanted line all the way down. That's the second step to drawing a bat. Let's see what the next step is. Here's the next step in drawing a bat. So we have the body, a circle, and an oval on the bottom. We have the wings where we went up and all the way down, scallop up, scallop twice. Then we drew a lined, curvy line down to give detail to the wing. We did the same thing on the other side, scallop up once, scallop up twice. We did the line down for detail. Then we'll add the ears. So here, you just want to draw out and back down. And then, of course, we need a little bit of detail. So draw a line like curvy halfway through. Do the same thing on the other side. Draw up, draw down, and of course, curvy on the other side. Then we'll draw the feet. Here, you just draw a straight line down and add like the little claws right here. Do the same thing, another one, straight line down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there we have the next step to drawing a bat. Let's see what the next step will be as we finish our bat. Let's finish drawing our bat. So we have the body, or the head, go all the way around. The body, which is the oval, down. We have the two wings, go up and all the way down, scallop up once, scallop up twice. We put the line for detail. We do that again on the other side, all the way up. Come the line all the way down, scallop up once, scallop up twice, add that detail. We have the ears where you draw the line out and down, and of course do that squiggly line for the detail. Same thing on the other side, draw the line up pointed and around, squiggly line down. Then we added the feet. Straight line down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives the foot more detail. Straight line down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will add the eyes. So again, we want a nice oval and another oval. And those don't have to be perfect, but it depends on just how you want your bat to look. So this will give your bat detail, and here's where you can use your creativity. So you can change these up a little. And then we'll just fill those in, the eyes, fill the other one in. That gives the bat a little more depth or character. Another, the nose will just go round, but sort of slanted. And there we have the nose. The mouth is easy. It's just a line over, and then we add detail. by adding 2 more lines on the side. Of course, that bat needs teeth, so here it's just a triangle. 1, 2, and there you have a bat. So now you know how to draw a bat. Go ahead, try this over and over, and you'll be able to do this in no time.